It's your boy Keenan right here. I'm about to show you how to make my bird rub. Check it. First, 2 tablespoons of Goya Total Seasoning. Next, 1 tablespoon of Goya Adobo with the red cap. 1 tablespoon onion powder. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1/2 tablespoon chili powder. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon dried parsley flakes. Half a teaspoon of dried thyme. 1½ tablespoons packed brown sugar. Mix up thoroughly. Put in the jar. Shake it up. There it is. That's my bird rub. And it's also good on seafood. For more tips and recipes, check out my YouTube channel, Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. 1.